We will begin by creating an account. You will click the hyperlink underneath, which will send you to the registration page. In the registration page, you will fill out your information, such as your first name, last name, email, phone number, as well as your address. When you click register, all the fields must be filled in. If even one field is not, it will let you know and have you fill in that field. So we were able to add authentication and validation. Also, you'll notice when typing in the email, we did add masking, so the @ sign showed up, as well as in the phone number. You'll see the parentheses and the dashes. You'll notice at the bottom we were able to implement CAPTCHA, which will just eliminate some of the bots and make sure we validate all the users that are in here. Also, you'll notice at the bottom there is a job code. This is implemented in the manager page, which you will be able to see later. And this is each job code is assigned to a different position so that the manager can sort through and find out who is best fit for the application or the position. So once you've filled everything in, you'll click register, which will send you to the login page where you will log in as the user that you've created. Once you log in, you'll see you have multiple tests that you can take, and you'll also see a history, but since we haven't taken anything, nothing has shown up. We did click the whole number test, and we've begun taking the test. The test will begin right as your first keystroke is hit. Whole number test will never run out. None of our tests will run out. It has a unlimited array, so it will always be filling up. You'll also notice that it will capture your backspace, your KPH, which is keys per hour, and it'll also have accuracy at the end of your result. And this is applicable for all the 4 tests. Your tests that you may take are the whole number, date format, as well as decimal, and we do have a mixture of all the other mixture of all the 3 tests that I've said in the past as well. You'll notice that at the top we do have a home, about us, career, and logout page, which will send you to back to the home page. About us will take you to the actual Capturis. We've finished the test, so you can see the KPH as well as the accuracy and the number of backspaces. When we hit home, it will take us back to the user dashboard. You also might have seen the history where our exam was shown. So we begin our mixed number format test. So this is a mixture of the whole number, decimal, and date format. I wouldn't recommend taking this test first because it is a little bit trickier to navigate through. You'll notice at the top it will tell you what assessment it is. So here you will see we have the mixed format name. We are able to capture each keystroke and make sure that it is calculated in the database as well. So it is quite accurate. You'll see a mistake was made and he backspaced, so we'll capture that as well. We were able to also have a random number generator. So this will randomly generate, like I said, unlimited amount of numbers for the whole number, decimal, date format as well, which is fantastic. At the end here, once again, you'll see the number of backspaces, accuracy, and KPH. And then once you will hit home, take you back to the user dashboard, you'll see the tests we've just taken are shown below with the backspaces, mistakes they've made, accuracy, KPH, and the type of test, the date they've taken it as well. So we're going to log out here, go back to the login page, and we're actually going to sign in as a manager, which is another one of the roles. Manager will be able to see all the users that have taken a test, their results, and based on that, we'll be able to hire based on the position that they're looking at. Right here, you'll see we have the table with the names of all the users, assessment types, so you can see what kind of tests they've taken, how many times they've taken this test, the APH for each test, accuracy, the date they've taken it, and then for job code, you can actually sort it as well. We've implemented sorting. So right now it is searching job code by descending. We're going to sort it by KPH ascending here, so you can see who has the best KPH. And then lastly, we've also implemented filtering, which we'll show here just shortly. So what you can do is you can filter by either name or test, and it is going to be filtering at real time. So as users are taking tests and you are sorting, it will add that into the user page, and so you'll be able to see who is the best fit for the position. So here we're going to type in maybe what user it is and what test it is, or based on a job code. So we searched Dwight, we can see all of Dwight's scores. His job code is beats. Now maybe we're going to search for other things so we can log out, and it'll take you back to the home page. So this is our project. We're quite proud of it. I hope this tutorial helps you guys out.